This eye-catching yellow HOWO 6-wheel dump truck delivers powerful power output, easily handling harsh working conditions such as mining, construction projects, and sand transportation. The vehicle features a solid frame and a thickened high-strength tipper cargo body that is wear-resistant and impact-resistant. With excellent load capacity, the cab provides broad vision and comfortable driving. Spare parts are highly universal, making maintenance convenient and trouble-free. It is perfectly suitable for overseas mining areas and engineering, transportation operations. We are Jining Huaheng International Trade Co. Feel free to reach out.